Once upon a time, in a forest not too far away, there lived a deer. She was the most beautiful deer in the forest, with her reddish-brown fur, her dainty little hooves, and her two long, elegant antlers. But she was very, very vain, and all she ever did was stare at her reflection in the lake and practice her poses. One day, as she was admiring her reflection, she noticed that the leaves on the trees were starting to turn yellow and orange. And as the wind blew, they swirled and danced around her, tickled her nose, and got caught in her antlers. At first, she shook her head and tried to flick the leaves off her back, but they just kept coming. Soon her whole body was covered in leaves, and she couldn't see out from under all that dry, crunchy leaves. She stomped her foot and was about to scream, when suddenly she had a brilliant idea. She realized that all those leaves looked like a coat for her, a coat made of falling leaves. She took a deep breath and started walking around, striking poses and preening. She even lifted her head high so the wind could blow the leaves into her fur. The more leaves she got, the happier she became. And when she finally looked at her reflection in the lake, she gasped. There she was, the most beautiful creature in the forest, if not the whole world, wearing a coat of many colors. A coat made of hundreds and hundreds of falling leaves. She pranced around and around, showing off her new fall fashionista look. All the other animals in the forest, the squirrels and the rabbits and even the birds in the trees, stopped to stare. They had never seen anything so beautiful. The deer who wore a coat of leaves became famous all over the forest. And every year when the leaves started to fall, all the animals would come out of their homes and dance and play under the falling leaves. And every year the deer would be the first one there, prancing and posing, striking a majestic pose under the canopy of leaves until her heart was content.